Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my dear friends. How are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube Fashion TV channel. You are watching the best and famous collections of 10-year dresses. These dresses are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season, completely waterproof and windproof, excellent romantic body raincoats. Dear friends, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my new uploading video notification first. Dear friends, I have to my best try to bring for you best and trendy collection. You can get ideas from my collection. And guys, I hope that you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you, please subscribe my channel if you are new. Dear friends, my video is to the end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.